Hello again, welcome to my channel Hindi Learning Made Easy. This is vocabulary series part 3. We are learning pronouns. In the first lesson, you had learned pronouns, first person and second person, I and you. In this lesson, we will learn third person pronouns, he, she, this and that. At the end of this lesson, there will be a dialogue between Irene and Peter in their voice to make Hindi learning more effective. There will be a quiz for you to participate. So don't miss it. Watch the video till the end. In every quiz and dialogue, I am trying to use only those words and sentences which I have taught you. So you will observe that in just few lessons, you are able to speak your own Hindi sentences. Don't forget to write words and sentences in your notebook, which you learn here. So let us start. In English, this is a demonstrative pronoun which points to something or someone near. This in Hindi is yah. Speak with me, yah. You already know is in Hindi is hai. So this will be yah hai. Now let us see how a girl who is near to the house says this is a house. In Hindi she will say yah ek ghar hai. One more example. How the girl will introduce a boy who is standing next to her. This is Sachin. In Hindi, she will say, Yah Sachin hai. Demonstrative pronoun that points to something or someone far. In Hindi, it is called vah. Speak with me, vah. That will be vah hai. Example, a girl who is far from the house says, that is a house. In Hindi, she will say, vah ek ghar hai. One more example. The girl introduces a boy who is standing far from her. That is Sachin. In Hindi, she will say, Vah Sachin hai. He or she are third person personal pronouns. They are based on gender. In Hindi, there is no such gender based pronoun. Instead, it is based on the distance. He or she. Both are yah if the person is near. Example, Richa is talking to Kathy about Sachin, who is standing nearby. He is my friend. In Hindi, yah mera dost hai. One more example. Ruby is talking about Kathy, who is standing next to her. She is my friend. In Hindi, yah meri dost hai. To learn more about meri, mera and mere, please click the link which is given in the description box. Let us learn to speak some more sentences about a person who is near. He is a teacher. In Hindi, it will be yah ek shikshak hai. One more example. She is a doctor. In Hindi, yah ek doctor hai. Observe, yah is used for masculine and feminine both if they are near. Let us see how you can talk about a person in Hindi who is far from you. he or she. Both are वह if the person is far or maybe absent. Let us learn this with some examples. Richa is talking to Kathy about Sachin, who is standing far from them. He is my friend. In Hindi, Richa will say, वह मेरा दोस्त है. Second example, Ruby is talking about Kathy, who is far from her. She is my friend. In Hindi, वह मेरी दोस्त है. So learn from here, he or she. If far, it is always वह. Next example, Richa is talking to Kathy about John, who is standing far from them. He is a doctor. In Hindi, वह एक डॉक्टर है. One more example, Ruby is talking about Kathy. She is an engineer. In Hindi, वह एक इंजीनियर है. Let us revise what we have learnt. When the person or object is near, this or he or she are all यह in Hindi. When the person or object is far, that or he or she are वह in Hindi. Just remember, near it is यह, far it is वह. Let us now listen to the dialogue between Irene and Peter using words he, she, this and that. On the screen there are persons, some are near and some are far. Hello.
Hi,
I am Irene. And you?
I am Peter. This is John. He is an engineer.
This is Kathy. She is my friend. That is Ben. He is a teacher. That is Richa. She is a doctor. That is Chris. He is happy.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Let us now listen to the dialogue in Hindi. Hello. Namaste.
नमस्ते.
मैं आयरीन हूँ और आप?
मैं पीटर हूँ. ये जॉन है. ये एक इंजीनियर है.
ये कैथी है. ये मेरी दोस्त है. वह बेन है. वह एक शिक्षक है. वह रिचा है. वह एक डॉक्टर है. वह क्रिस है. वह खुश है.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
धन्यवाद. नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
Get ready for the quiz now. Here on the screen you will see groups of persons talking to each other. Some are far and some are near. Each person is labeled with his or her name. What are they talking about will be shown to you in speech bubble in English. You have to read and speak the same in Hindi. Let me see how many sentences you said it right. Here we go. What is it Peter saying to Irene about his friend? Ravi. Speak in Hindi. Check if you said it right. यह रवि है, यह मेरा दोस्त है. Next, what Irene is saying to Peter about Sunita. Speak in Hindi. See if you said it correct. वह सुनीता है, वह एक डॉक्टर है. Next, what Ben is saying to Lisa about Sunita. Speak in Hindi. Did you get this one right? मैं बेन हूँ. यह सुनीता है. यह एक डॉक्टर है. Now the last one. What Lisa is talking about herself. Speak in Hindi. मैं लीजा हूँ. मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ. Play this quiz again and again if you did not get all correct and try to learn यह, वह. I hope you enjoyed the quiz and the dialogue between Irene and Peter. Please comment down below and let me know. You can also write your own sentences using he, she, this and that in your notebook and speak. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with some more pronouns. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.